Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the video lecture series. In today's video lecture series, our team here is to present on the case study on Siruvani Water Treatment Plant. As we all know that Siruvani water is considered to be one of the second tastiest water in the world. So, as a part of environmental engineering subject, we are here to study about the various filtration process and also purification of Siruvani water and how it is distributed across the city. So this case study will give an instinct on various purification parameters involved in Siruvani water treatment project. So over to Vishant for further readings regarding the water treatment.
And is famous for its naturally sweet water quality. The water supply project was developed mainly to provide clean and safe drinking water to the people of Coimbatore. The Siruvani dam is located near the forest region and supplies water through pipelines to the treatment plant and then to the city distribution system. So the main reason for selecting Siruvani water as a drinking water source is its low dissolved salts and excellent taste. The treatment plants plays a major role in improving water quality before supplying it to the public. The raw water collected from the reservoir may contain suspended particles, microorganisms, and organic impurities. Therefore, proper treatment is necessary. The treatment process begins with intake structures where raw water is collected. Then screening is done to remove large floating materials like leaves, sticks and water waste particles. After that, coagulation and flocculation processes are carried out. Chemicals like alum are added to the water to form larger particles called flocks. The flocks settle down during sedimentation. This process helps in removing turbidity and suspended impurities from water. The Siruvani scheme is an example of sustainable water supply engineering because it uses gravity flow in many sections, reducing energy consumption. The project has supported Coimbatore city for many decades and still remains one of the most trusted water supply system in Tamil Nadu. Thus, the Siruvani Water Treatment Plant is not only engineering structure but also a lifeline for public health and urban development.
Okay, we will explain regarding the water treatment project which was commissioned to serve the people of Coimbatore by Vishant. Over to Mugilan for the remaining aspects of this water treatment project.
Treatment process and technical features. Now I will be explaining the treatment process and technical features of Siruvani Water Treatment Plant after sedimentation. In particular, treatment water is sent to a filter unit, generally rapido and sent to filter or used to remove in fine suspense to the particle microorganism, filtrations to improve the quality of water. The filter medium useful to transfer to sand and drill water. Layer backwashing and down cleaning filter in maintain effectively. After filtration is most important process is called carry out in chlorination used in Siruvani treatment system. The chlorine is killing a harmful bacteria virus is disease is to causing microorganisms present in the water. This ignorance are applied to water in safety drink purpose. The treatment water in the store to clear water resources distributed thought out in a pipeline and variation part of in Coimbatore city. Engineering connecting motor permanent hose, pH and turbidity in chloride hardness and dissolved oxygen. Regard laboratory testing help in maintaining water quality standard. One of the special feature in Siruvani system in explain the natural quality of raw water. The compatibility may another water sources in Siruvani water lesson. The population growth in urban expansions and demand to water increased salinity. There was effective management in maintained for a treatment planet are very important. The planet also faces challenges like season, rainfall, variation, pipeline, legacy of infrastructure, and increasing the water damage. Engineering use modularity, mandatory of system and provide the maintenance technical issues. Employee planet performance for operated pump and value sedimentation water supply. The Siruvani Water Treatment Plant damage to civil engineering and environmental engineering. Principle applied to real life water treatment and public limited management.
Okay, well explained by Mugilan regarding the various water quality standards to be ensured in water treatment. Over to Navinesh J for remaining considerations of this
I
project.
will now discuss the challenges and environmental impacts and the future improvements related to the Siruvani Water Treatment Plant. One major challenge is the rapid increase in population and industrial development in Coimbatore city. As water demand increases every year, the existing infrastructure experiences pressure. Water loss due to leakage and illegal connection also affects super supply efficiency. Another issue is environmental conversion. Since the Siruvani source is located near forest areas of the Western Ghats, protection of catchment area is very important. Deforestation, pollution and climate changes may affect rainfall patterns and water availability. Therefore, sustainable watershed management practices are necessary for long-term water security. The treatment plant also requires periodic modernization. Old pipes and equipment need replacement to reduce maintenance problem. Smart sensors and automated monitoring system can improve operational efficiency. Rainwater harvesting and recycle methods can also reduce dependency on a single source. Public awareness is equally important. People should avoid water wastage and support conservation practices. Engineering and government authorities must work together to maintain water quality standards and ensure equitable distribution. Thus, the Siruvani Water Treatment Plant is not just a treatment facility but a critical infrastructure system that supports the social and the economic development of Coimbatore.
Okay. Thanks for the team for explaining about a case study on Siruvani Water Treatment Plant, which is a major source of water supply to Coimbatore and surrounding regions. So hope this video would be helpful. Do like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Have a good day. Good morning to all. In today's video lecture series, our team here is to present on the topic design thinking based content delivery on laying and testing of pipe materials. So it is based on semester 4 of environmental engineering subject. This approach mainly deals with the various aspects involved in laying of pipe and also the various materials used in the laying of pipes. Over to our team for further explanation. First topic of design thinking will be continued by Mugilan.
Empathize idea of problem. Today we are going to explain the testing and laying of pipes using the design thinking approaches to first stages to empathize. Before laying any pipeline, engineering should be understand the real problem faced on people. In main village cities and people suffering due to the legacy low water pressure and pipe it continues to during water. If pipe are not laid to proper road, may get damage to water, may be wastage to civil engineering. Interact to local residents work and water supply. No is needed after understanding the problem. The next step is defined. Here engineering ideas in important factor is like soil condition, pipe material, water damage, slow pressure and safety. Proper planning include reducing maintenance cost of increasing in pipe life. Testing and laying pipes is not only technical work but also solution public needed to environmental property.
Okay. Well explained by Mugilan regarding the empathize and different stages of design thinking. Over to Naveen for the remaining stages.
The next stage of design thinking is analysis. In this stage, engineers develop ideas for proper pipe laying methods and testing procedure. Different types of pipes such as PVC, ductile, concrete and steel pipes are selected based on pressure and soil condition. The alignment of pipeline is planned carefully to avoid traffic disturbance and future leakage. During laying process, trenches are excavated with the proper width and depth. Bedding material like sand is provided below the pipe for support. Pipes are then joined carefully using joints like socket joints or flange joints. Engineers also think about future maintenance and easy repair methods for designing the pipeline system. Safe measure for workers and public also included. The main aim of ideation stage is create an efficient, durable and economical pipe system which can provide continuous water supply without failure.
Okay, we'll explain by Naveen. Over to Vishal for the remaining stages of design thinking, followed by the conclusion.
So the next stage is prototype and testing. After laying the pipes, different tests are conducted to check the quality and performance of the pipeline. So one of the important tests is hydrostatic pressure test. Water is filled inside the pipe to check leakage and pressure resistance. Leakage test helps in identifying weak joints or cracks. Smoke test and air test are also used in drainage pipelines. If any defect is found, repairs are done immediately. After successful testing, the trench is backfilled and compacted properly. So proper testing ensures safety, durability and efficient water flow. In design thinking, testing stage helps engineers improve the system before final implementation. Finally, pipelines are commissioned for public use. Regular inspection and maintenance are also important for long-term performance. Therefore, testing and laying of pipes plays a major role in providing safe and reliable water supply to society.
So from this presentation, we can understand that design thinking helps civil engineers create better pipeline systems by focusing on user needs, innovation, testing and improvement. So testing and laying of pipelines is an essential part of water supply and drainage engineering. A well-designed pipe system reduces water loss, prevents contamination and also facilitates stronger and durable piping material. So therefore, the design thinking approach helps us achieve all these factors in a simple and a probable solution, so that it forms a human-centered approach in achieving the needed goals, and also we can achieve the desired output in a short span or shorter lifespan period, so that the piping materials would be more strong and durable and also have a better efficiency and productivity. Thank you.